Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the implementation of the interfaces. So what is the exact use of this interface? So you will be getting it out. What is the exact use of this interface, right? Why? Because in the previous videos we have seen this one as a type thing. Why we need to implement this one as an interface? We can implement as a type also, right? So we have used that one. So type person is equal to this one also we can use. This also does the same thing only. So if you see here, no errors is there. So type, we are defining the type of a person. Okay, we are defining the type of a object, that means structure of the object, so that you can use the type everywhere wherever you want to define the structure. So what is the use of this type? So then why I need to use the interface? So if you see all the TypeScript objects and all those things, TypeScript tutorials or TypeScript wherever if you see in the internet, all the people will be using this interface only. We can also implement using the type also. It's not a problem, it's not a thing, it's not wrong or anything. So you can implement using the type also. You can implement using the interface also. Where you will be finding it more important is while defining the classes. So this is one way of representing an object. We can also represent the object using the class also. So for example, let's think this one as a user. Okay, I user or something like that. So all the times you can implement whatever the thing you want. I user. Okay, so I person or otherwise I person I will be using is. So I am removing this all the code, or otherwise what I will try to do is I will keep it down like that only. I will create a class person and I will implement this. What I can say, I can implement this I person, so that whatever the class implementing this I person must has to implement the structure of this object. The class is nothing but what we can say is in JavaScript or TypeScript is nothing but an object only. This is one way of representing the object using the class oops programming. Now here I will remove this occupation and number so that we can have less thing. Now we have one property and one method. Now I need to implement that property and that method in the class compulsorily. Why? Because we have made something implementing I person means we are implementing the I person thing in the person class. That means we made a contract with the I person, so that all the implementation, all the things what we have declared in the interface, we will implement those things. Now we need to have a name. So I can have name is equal to string, so that in the constructor I will take that name while defining the object, and I will assign that this dot name is equal to name. Okay, we have implemented one thing. So we have implemented the property, and now I need to implement the method. So I can implement directly hello. It will take one phrase as a string. Okay, and I can directly copy this phrase or something like this, and I can paste it here. Now what it is happening, now we didn't get any error. See, so now we have implemented the person blueprint person object with an I person implementation, so that the name and also hello, all those things, properties and also method should has to, that class has to implement this, whoever is implementing. Now here I can remove this one, or otherwise I can create let Leela, I have one number is equal to new person of, I will send the name of the guy. Okay, so this representation is nothing but this representation only. So right now I removed this occupation and age. If you want to implement, you can implement directly the age here as a number. How many things you want, you can age as a number, and here you can implement the age. Okay, it should be a number, and also here I can implement the age. Sorry, I can implement the age as a number, and here instead of using this dot name and all those things, we have already learned about the shorthand notation, how we can implement the shorthand notation. So these are all the things slowly by slowly we will implement, so that we can. So now I have implemented public name and public age, so that I can remove these things also. Now automatically this is the shorthand notation how we can implement. Now I will be sending the age of that guy also 30, so that this representation and this representation is one and the same. I can remove this one. The same scenario I can remove this John also. So I will remove, I can use this John, and a new person of, I will send this John, and I can send the 20. Okay, so this is how we have implemented the blueprint of the person. Okay, the blueprint of the person which implements the I person. Now here I can directly add the person here, and also I can directly add the here also the person. Okay, so this has the class person, or otherwise you can directly use this implementation also, I person also you can use directly. This I person also is one and the same, so whatever you want to represent you can represent. So you can use this person, or otherwise you can use this I person also. Now if I want to print console.log, or otherwise what you can say Leela dot hello, I can send the phrase here, and also I can send this John dot hello also. Now if I try to check the output here, I will be able to get hello Leela, hello John. So I am able to execute the method of the two instances using the I person. So here you can represent using the person also you can represent. So using person also you can represent. So you will get one and the same thing, and also you can use that I person implementation also. Why? Because the class is nothing but implementing this I person. What are the properties and methods present in this I person? It is implementing those properties and methods. So you can represent this one or this one. Normally all the people what will be is they are implementing this one. So you can also, what we can say is you can also implement multiple interface also. You can use another interface or another person, something like that, and you can have this one. But I don't have another interface, so we can implement multiple interfaces for a class also, so that whatever the properties mentioned in the both the interfaces we need to mention. This is how we can implement the interface using the class. Again you will get a doubt that again why can't we use with the type thing, we can use it, right? Yeah, with the type thing also we can implement. One thing you need to remember is with the type we can also implement the one and the same thing, but mostly all the people what they will be using is will be using the interface only. If you see all the time outside you will be using interface. Now if I use the type I person is equal like this, and if I implement this one is also correct notation, correct type of implementation only. Okay, this is also correct implementation. If you refresh this one you will also get the same output. It's not at all wrong in this one. But interface is one type of concept what which you will be seen everywhere. This is the correct way of implementing these things. Okay, and also before closing this one, and another important thing I want to tell you is, now here you are using this I person. Okay, so that means this person will be implementing the name, age and hello, right? Apart from this he can also implement his own methods also. For example, I want to mention greet or something like this. Okay, I want to mention greet or something like this, console.log hi. I will keep just hi greeting. Okay, hi greeting. Okay, so I have this method which implements in the person. This is not at a wrong, but this class person represents to this method represents to this class person, this one, but it doesn't part of the I person. So in interface I person we don't have a method greet. Now here Leela I person, John I person, this belongs to this interface, right? So now if I want to call this, we have created a new person of Leela, something like this. But if you want to create something like Leela dot greet, you will be not able to get that method. Okay, if you understand this one, you will be not able to get this method. Why? Because this Leela object belongs to the type of I person. So that means whatever the properties or methods implemented in this interface only, you will be able to access these things using this person. If you want to access the greet or something like this, you will be not able to access. You need to convert this one to person. Okay, if you convert this one to person, now you will be able to use this one. If you see here high greeting, you will be able to. This is the main thing you need to understand, the difference between the when to implement interface and class. So and also one thing you need to one thing you will be having is, so all the time you people will be using is, for example, if you have one class will be having one interface, something like that. And also if you are implementing this class method greet means all the people will be implementing like this only. Okay, so they will be mention sorry, what is the wrong, they will be mentioning like this only, so that I person you can have this I person and Leela.greet also will work. Okay, so this is just in order to know, I am telling you that interface, wholesale interface, if you are implementing the type means, you cannot imagine that class contains only those methods. You can also implement your custom methods which doesn't be a part of this interface also. Okay, so this is all about interfaces, how we can use the, why we need to use the interfaces in the classes, how classes interfaces will be useful in the TypeScript. And also you saw the difference between the type and interface also, right? So not much difference between the type and interface. You can implement these things with the type, but rarely you will be seeing with the type interface, type implementation in interface. You will be seeing most of the things with the interfaces. Okay, if you have any doubts or anything, so please post a comments or reply to this video. so that I will try to give the reply. And also if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.